Welcome back to our channel. So the bacon is now ready. See the bacon over there?
This one, they don't need to see the whole pan. See, we got our bacon done, and we got our bread and our other ingredients: lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, mayonnaise, mustard, and cheese. Okay, so what are you gonna put on your sandwich, Bree?
Well, I'm gonna put cheese, bacon, mustard, and ketchup, and pickles.
Pickles. Okay, so
Okay, so there's the ketchup, everybody.
So first we're gonna take the bread and we're gonna do the ketchup.
Okay, everyone, here's the bread.
Okay, and put a little ketchup.
Ketchup. And now we have to
And then
do
a little mustard.
Little mustard.
You gonna do it?
Right here or right here?
Either one.
Okay. Oh wait, let me shake it again just in case.
Okay.
Okay. And now mustard.
Don't put too much.
Okay.
You gotta turn it upside down. Squeeze. Hold on.
Is there anything in there?
There we go. Okay, that's enough.
And
now smoosh it together. There you go. So now you got a little bit of ketchup and a little bit of mustard on both sides. Ta-da! Now what are you gonna put?
Bacon.
Your bacon. Break it in half so it's not too long. There you go.
Put some there. And a little bit
Nope, put the whole piece.
here.
No, you put all of them on one side, and then you put the other piece of bread on top. So put that one right there.
Right here?
No, right here. And this one right here. Okay. You want more bacon, or is that enough?
That's enough.
That's enough. Okay. Now what are you gonna put on it?
Cheese.
Okay. So put your cheese. Put it on the bacon. There you go. And then what else do you want on it?
Pickles.
Okay, so grab you a couple of pickles.
Right here?
Nope, put it on the cheese.
And 3.
Okay.
Okay.
And then that's it.
Yep.
Yep. Okay, so now you put the other bread on the top.
And there you go, everyone.
And that is how we make our sandwich. All right, everybody. So thank you for tuning in with us on how to make BLTs. Of course, you can make your own sandwich however you like to make it, with whatever you want to make on it.
Yeah, like a lettuce with cheese and tomatoes and
Pickles.
and
Mayonnaise.
and potatoes.
Potatoes? Should I say potatoes? Potatoes?
Yes,
Potatoes. Well, I guess if you like potatoes on your sandwich, you can have potatoes. So, all right, guys. Thank you for tuning in to us while we make our BLTs. And that is what's for dinner. Bye.
Bye.